Did you know that something as simple as baking soda, yes, the same one sitting in your kitchen, could be a powerful key to relieving up to 12 common health problems that seniors face every day? Sounds unbelievable? Well, recent insights from institutions like the National Institutes of Health, NIH, have shown that sodium bicarbonate, the active ingredient in baking soda, does more than just help cakes rise. It can help neutralize acid, support kidney function, and even reduce inflammation, a root cause of so many chronic conditions. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring compound made up of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Most people recognize it as a common kitchen staple used in baking, but few realize that it also has a long history of use in traditional medicine, going back hundreds of years. Ancient cultures used it for everything from indigestion relief to cleaning wounds. Today, modern science is starting to confirm what our grandparents already knew. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, has acknowledged the important role that sodium bicarbonate can play in managing certain health conditions. According to research supported by the NIH, baking soda has shown potential in helping reduce inflammation, supporting kidney function, and even neutralizing excessive acid in the body, which can lead to a variety of chronic ailments. These findings are especially important for seniors, as aging bodies often struggle with things like pH balance, joint inflammation, and slower digestion. One of baking soda's most powerful features is its alkalizing effect on the body. While our bodies naturally regulate pH levels, diet and age can disrupt this balance. An overly acidic environment inside the body has been linked to inflammation, fatigue, and other degenerative conditions. By helping to bring the pH level back to a more balanced state, baking soda creates an internal environment that's less friendly to chronic disease. What makes baking soda truly unique is how multifunctional it is. It doesn't just target one problem, it works on multiple systems at once. It helps calm the stomach, supports your kidneys, improves energy metabolism, and even acts as a gentle cleanser for the body. All of these effects work together to support overall wellness, especially in older adults who are managing more than one health condition. Now that you know how powerful baking soda can be, let's talk about the safest and most effective way to prepare and consume baking soda water, especially for seniors who may have sensitive systems or underlying health conditions. A remedy this potent must be used correctly to unlock its benefits without causing unwanted side effects. The most basic and widely accepted method is to dissolve 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 full glass of cold or room temperature water, about 8 ounces. Stir it well until the powder is completely dissolved. This mixture should be taken on an empty stomach, preferably once a day, either in the morning or at least 2 hours after a meal. Taking it this way helps the body absorb the compound more efficiently and minimizes the risk of stomach discomfort or bloating. It's important to avoid exceeding the dosage. More is not better. Too much baking soda can increase sodium levels in the body and upset the delicate balance of your electrolytes. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, excess sodium intake can pose risks for people with hypertension, heart disease, or kidney problems. That's why seniors, especially those on salt-restricted diets, should be cautious and consult their healthcare provider before beginning regular use. Another key safety tip: never drink baking soda water too close to a meal, as it may interfere with the natural acidity needed for digestion. If you're taking prescription medications, allow at least 2 hours between your medication and baking soda water because it can alter the stomach's pH and affect how certain drugs are absorbed. Make sure to use aluminum-free food-grade baking soda. This ensures you're not ingesting any additives that might be present in cheaper industrial-grade products. Always store your baking soda in a cool, dry place and keep it tightly sealed to maintain freshness. Start slow. You may begin with just 1 to 4 teaspoons and gradually increase to 1-2 teaspoons if your body responds well. Keep a journal of how you feel each day. It can help you notice subtle improvements in digestion, energy, or joint comfort over time. Eases acid reflux and heartburn. 1 of the most well-known uses of baking soda water is for treating acid reflux, a common issue among seniors. Acid reflux happens when stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation in the chest. Baking soda, being an alkaline compound, works by neutralizing excess stomach acid almost instantly. This provides quick relief without the side effects often associated with over-the-counter antacids. According to insights shared by the NIH, maintaining proper acid balance in the stomach is crucial for digestive health and long-term esophageal safety. Supports kidney function. As we age, kidney function naturally declines. Seniors are more prone to kidney stress and chronic kidney disease. The NIH has funded studies showing that baking soda can help slow the progression of kidney disease by reducing the acid load on the kidneys. This is especially helpful for people with metabolic acidosis, a condition where the body produces too much acid. A small daily dose of baking soda water may help ease this burden, improving overall kidney efficiency. Helps manage urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are more common in older adults, especially women. Baking soda's alkalizing effect can make the urinary tract environment less hospitable to bacteria, slowing down their growth and easing the burning sensation during urination. While it's not a replacement for antibiotics, baking soda water may support UTI recovery and provide comfort alongside medical treatment. The NIH supports pH modulation as a potential aid in urinary health. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health problems seniors face, especially arthritis and joint pain. Baking soda may help reduce systemic inflammation by encouraging the body to maintain a more alkaline internal environment. In one NIH-supported study, baking soda was found to influence immune cells and promote an anti-inflammatory response, offering potential relief to those with arthritis. Balances the body's pH levels. Our bodies function best at a slightly alkaline pH. However, aging, processed foods, and chronic stress can make us more acidic. This acidic environment can encourage inflammation, fatigue, and illness. Drinking baking soda water in safe doses may help restore a healthier pH, which supports energy production, reduces aches, and improves general vitality. The NIH emphasizes the importance of pH balance for cell and organ function, improves digestion, and reduces bloating. As we get older, our digestive enzymes decrease, and we may suffer from slow digestion or gas buildup. Baking soda can act as a natural antacid, helping to ease discomfort by breaking down food more efficiently and reducing intestinal bloating. Seniors who frequently experience gas or a heavy stomach after eating may find relief with a properly timed glass of baking soda water. Boosts energy and reduces fatigue. Cellular energy production is affected by the body's pH balance. An overly acidic system can make energy metabolism less efficient, resulting in fatigue, weakness, and brain fog. Since baking soda can help restore pH balance, It may naturally boost cellular energy, making you feel more awake and alert. Some researchers at the NIH have linked improved buffering capacity from bicarbonates to better energy levels during physical activity. 8. Promotes oral health. Oral hygiene is vital, especially for seniors facing gum recession or dry mouth. Baking soda has antibacterial and pH balancing properties, which can help maintain healthy gums and fresh breath. Swishing a small amount of diluted baking soda water as a mouth rinse can neutralize acids left behind after meals and discourage bacteria growth. The NIH supports oral pH balance as a factor in preventing dental erosion and gum disease. Enhances immune function. An acidic body environment is often associated with inflammation and lower immune function. Baking soda water may help by reducing acid buildup, which in turn may lower inflammatory markers in the body. According to NIH-supported studies, sodium bicarbonate may stimulate anti-inflammatory immune cells, creating a healthier balance that could indirectly support your body's defense systems. Ca. Lowers uric acid and fights gout. High uric acid levels can lead to painful gout attacks, especially in seniors. Baking soda helps by neutralizing uric acid in the blood, making it easier for the kidneys to flush it out. This may help prevent or reduce the frequency of flare-ups. The NIH has published research suggesting that alkalizing the body with bicarbonate can be effective in managing uric acid-related conditions. May support blood sugar regulation. Some studies have explored the link between bicarbonate levels and insulin sensitivity. While more research is needed, the NIH notes that chronic metabolic acidosis, too much acid in the body, can impair insulin function. Baking soda water's alkalizing effect may help create a more balanced internal environment, indirectly aiding glucose control. Seniors managing type 2 diabetes may benefit from this side effect, though medical supervision is a must. 2. Aids in natural detoxification. Our kidneys and liver work constantly to detoxify the body, but their efficiency can decline. With age, baking soda helps lighten their load by supporting kidney function and aiding in acid removal, two key aspects of the body's detox process. By drinking baking soda water occasionally, you may help your body naturally flush out toxins and maintain optimal function. While baking soda water offers many potential benefits, it's not suitable for everyone, especially without proper guidance. Seniors with certain medical conditions or those taking regular medications should be extra cautious before incorporating it into their routine. People with high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, or chronic kidney disease must be particularly careful. Baking soda contains sodium, which can contribute to fluid retention and raise blood pressure if consumed in excess. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, warns that excessive sodium intake can lead to worsened cardiovascular and kidney outcomes, particularly in older adults. If you're on a sodium-restricted diet, have been told to watch your salt intake, or are taking medications like diuretics, antacids, or blood pressure pills, consult your healthcare provider before starting. Baking soda can interfere with how certain drugs are absorbed, especially when taken close to meal times or medications. It's best to maintain at least a 2-hour gap between taking your medication and consuming baking soda water. Additionally, those with gastric ulcers or digestive conditions should approach baking soda carefully. While it can ease acid reflux, overuse may disrupt natural stomach acid levels, potentially causing more harm than good over time. Finally, avoid long-term or high-dose use without medical supervision. The body needs a natural acid-alkaline balance. and overcorrecting can cause alkalosis, a condition where your blood becomes too alkaline. Symptoms include muscle twitching, confusion, and nausea. Once you've mastered the basic preparation of baking soda water, you can explore a few safe variations and helpful tips to enhance its effects. These additions can make the drink more pleasant and may offer extra health benefits, especially for seniors looking for natural ways to support daily wellness. One popular variation is to add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your baking soda water. While lemons are acidic in taste, they have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. Combined with baking soda, lemon juice may help balance the body's pH even more effectively. Plus, lemons contain vitamin C, which supports immune function, a nutrient the NIH considers essential for older adults. Another safe option is adding a small pinch of pink Himalayan salt, which contains trace minerals like magnesium and potassium. This variation can offer mild electrolyte support, especially for seniors who feel fatigued or dehydrated. Just be mindful of your sodium intake if you have high blood pressure or kidney concerns. Want to make it more enjoyable? Try using cool, filtered water and stir with a wooden or glass spoon to prevent any metal interactions. If the taste is still unpleasant, you can drink it with a straw to minimize direct contact with your teeth and reduce the impact on tooth enamel, something the NIH notes is important for aging dental health. For those who prefer warm beverages, you can dissolve your baking soda in lukewarm water, not hot. High heat may alter the chemical structure and reduce effectiveness. Remember, this drink should be taken on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning or at least 2 hours after eating. And always use food-grade, aluminum-free baking soda for safety and purity. These small tweaks can help you get the most out of every glass, naturally and effectively. Baking soda water may seem simple, but its power lies in its natural ability to support your body from the inside out. Backed by findings from institutions like the National Institutes of Health, this humble remedy can be a gentle companion on your path to better aging, improved energy, and daily comfort. If you found these insights helpful, consider giving it a try with care, consistency, and your doctor's support. Aging well doesn't always require expensive treatments. Sometimes, the solution is already in your kitchen. If you're a senior looking for simple, natural ways to feel better every day, don't overlook the power of baking soda water. With support from research funded by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, this humble remedy has been linked to benefits ranging from reduced inflammation to improved kidney function. But remember, consistency and safety are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss new health tips designed especially for older adults. Share this video with a friend or loved one who could benefit from a gentle, science-backed health boost. And now we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried baking soda water? Drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Your story could inspire someone else to take their first step toward better health, naturally and confidently. Who knew the secret to easing pain, boosting energy, and aging gracefully? Could be hiding in your kitchen this whole time? Seniors, it's time to stop suffering in silence. This one simple habit, backed by science and the National Institutes of Health, could transform your health naturally. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the change yourself. And hey, if you found even one helpful tip today, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another life-changing video. Your best years aren't behind you, they're just beginning. Ready to feel the difference?